Hello, it's Mrs. Grimes. Welcome back from break. I hope you had a relaxing break, and also those of you working on getting caught up, I hope you got lots done over the break where you had the opportunity to get caught up with no new lessons. Pretty simple, pretty normal week coming this week. We have about 3.5 weeks before another break. So hopefully we can continue on with our pacing chart and keep up with that. Things to know, the next outing is the Art Museum on the 7th. I have put the RSVP link here if you'd like to RSVP for that or see the details of it. Don't forget that Dibbles assessments are the 3rd through the 12th. If you've been doing small groups with Mrs. Pratt, you will sign up with her. If you are doing, if you're not, then and you're in kindergarten, you're with me. And then first grade that's not with Mrs. Pratt will be with Miss Burdick. So make sure you're signed up for that. Book orders. They were ordered. It says they're on their way, but Scholastic has the wrong street number, I noticed later, so we might have a little bit of a delay on that, but as soon as I get my hands on them, I will get them out to you. I'm hoping that they'll recognize the school and know, because it's only a couple streets over, so I'm hoping that they actually get it and doesn't return it and they have to come back out. I did open up a new book order. We'll have until December 19th, so excuse me, almost a month to order books. Your how to order them is here. Don't forget, once you're done watching the recording, to go back and do the survey, so I can make sure that you get credit for this week of doing the announcements. Here's what we have going on in live sessions this week. I hope you can join us for those. Don't forget, I'm sure everybody has them, but our pacing charts are in our website as well, so don't forget to make sure that you are where we're supposed to be. Let's see. Our school calendar, if you need that, is in here. Don't forget that. We school until our last day, I believe, is the 19th of December, and the 20th starts our winter break. So if you, again, if you are behind on anything, that's a great time to get caught up. All right. I think that's all I have for you guys today. I will start doing the drawings maybe after the winter break, after I get caught up on the mailing of all these books that you guys have ordered. I'm very excited about that. I'm excited to send books to you. So if you have any questions or I've missed anything, please reach out to Miss Burdick Rye. Have a wonderful week. Oh, aha, I almost forgot. Our secret word to put in your survey will be snow. Snow is the word for today. Bye, guys.